What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a saved job on LinkedIn. So as you can see, you guys, I'm at my mobile. So this is a mobile tutorial. So how do you do that? You want to tap on jobs at the bottom. So you may be on home or wherever, whichever tab that you may be on, just simply tap on jobs. And at the top, you will find my job. So you want to tap on the my jobs. You'll find the job there and all you have to do, click the three dots towards the upper right hand side, and here you have share, right? So you can simply go ahead and share via, and it's going to pop up on your phone with your different applications or your chat applications or whichever app you can do, or you can share it by email, WhatsApp messages, you can share it on Messenger, Facebook itself, Instagram, wherever you want, or whoever you want, you can easily go ahead and share the job. So let's say I want to do it through the WhatsApp. I can tap on the WhatsApp, I can choose a person who I want to share it with and just select that person, then go ahead and basically click the send button at the bottom there. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.